Terminator, hands up for TV. It's in Orkney this weekend. I'm teaching at the Real Trad Music Weekend, and I'm right in front of the St. Magnus Cathedral. It's totally amazing. That was windy. Well, I'm now in the Real in Kirkwall, and we've got our first video for you. It's from Highland band Frass.
This is the Rossa Reel.
That was Frass. Hope you enjoyed that video. I'm very lucky we've got Jennifer and Hazel Wrigley with us. Hello.
Hello. Hi.
We're in your venue, The Real. When did that start?
2004 in Kirkwall in the Orkney Islands. We're very proud of it.
And the Winter Festival, when did you have that idea?
We've had it a few years ago, but only in the last couple of years have we had visiting artists from South coming and playing.
So you're going to play a set of tunes for us Partons and his Creoles?
It's an Ali Winnick song. Ali Winnick was a songwriter from Orkney, and we turned it into a reel. Another song after that called Chappin' at the Door.
Fantastic, thanks very much.
fantastic. What amazing playing. Here's another great musician, Finlay Napier. This is a song called Don't Leave the Door Open. And remember, check out his new album, Glasgow.
Perhaps a look, perhaps a line, or something taken out of time. It always starts with something little. Are we stupid, are we blind? Maybe you shout, maybe I swear. It goes too far, we're not aware. It escalates, it always does. Let's separate this mismatched pair. Don't leave the door open non-stop for a goodbye kiss. Don't leave the door open, I can't come back to this. Don't forgive and don't forget. Don't make it like the time we met. 'Cause if we hang around till morning, we'll do something we regret. Don't leave the door open, don't stop for a goodbye kiss. Don't leave the door open, I can't come back to this. All this making up's exhausting. We need something longer lasting. We need love in a peaceful world. We don't need mediation, just a simple separation. Don't leave the door open, don't stop for a goodbye kiss. Don't leave the door open, I can't come back to this. Don't leave the door open, I can't come back to this.
The Reel does many things. I'm standing at the Orkney Accordion and Fiddle Club. It sounds fantastic. Here's a roundup of all the tutors from the winter school. I was very lucky to get down to Bury to hear Saltfish 40 band members Douglas Montgomery and Brian Cromarty. They're both fantastic musicians and they have a brand new album out. It's called Bear. Oh. Eamon.
Oh, hello. Are you doing an interview here or something? No.
Yeah. Do you have a new book out?
I do have a new book out. Look at this beautifulness.
What is it?
It's called Absolute Beginners Irish Tenor Banjo, and it's essential learning for any banjo player.
And where can you buy it?
Just go to eamoncoyne.com, send me a little note, and I will send it on.
Thanks, Eamon.
Bye-bye.
slap that sauce on anything. Boy, I like that feeling. Just a drop of chili pepper on a chicken wing. Got my taste buds reeling. I'm not into caviar. Keep your thumb and toe. I want your hot Tabasco sauce. It gets me on the floor. Some people want to tell you about their favorite things to eat, but I don't listen to them cause that sauce just can't be beat. If I had a restaurant, try to close it down, that would be the hottest place on the day in town.
On the 6th of November, we're going to be launching the nominations in the MG Alba Scots Trad Music Awards. It's a really exciting time when everybody gets to vote for their favourite Scottish trad artists. If you'd like to find out more about that, visit our website at www.scotstradmusicawards.com or join the Hands Up for Trad newsletter at handsupfortradnewsletter.com or follow us on Twitter or Facebook. It's been absolutely fantastic in Orkney this week with Jennifer and Hazel Wrigley and all the tutors at The Real. We're going to finish off Hands Up for Trad TV with a great video from the Furrow Collective. And this song is called Polly Vaughan. See you the next time.